Okay. We continue with a cam stream today. I'm gonna set music. Mm. Okay. ETC atrás. Okay. Okay. Vale. Okay. Let's see if we can cut something. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay. Mm. Yeesh. Mm. Okay, guys. So yeah, live now with you guys, and so let me check. Hello, Follies. Starting streaming with Cam. Starting my journey. Yes. Okay, let me fix this. Hello. Okay. New York Open. You have the levels. Anything changed? Okay, we're gonna mark them. Yeah, we will continue from there. Okay. This swept. My other levels are here. This is from. Okay, perfect. Now we wait for New York Open. We need more 30 minutes. I'm gonna fix some stuff, clean this a little bit, and let's start. This is similar, the same. Yeah, we're looking for these two levels. regular distribution today, Monday. Yesterday weekend we have this irregular, that's why I think that we will go and search for that. Okay, thank you for the guys that are joining. I know that after, I think it's Victor and Folly streaming, so I understand that there will be less people. Today, this morning, I did a Chroma voice chat. Now I'm doing some Twitch on some YouTube also. And what I was talking with Chroma in voice chat was that I'm gonna recap these two levels I was looking really important. For me now, today, these two T-box and volume profiles from weekend for me are not so much relevant, but we have a regular distribution and this was irregular. They didn't left tail, so this value area low doesn't have tail. That could be a good point of interest for today. Hi Joel, hi Filippo. And yeah, it's what I talked this morning. This one, I'm concerned of this profile. I was looking and I think that this level, 82,800, is really round level. Market likes a lot these levels, so I will take a look what happens if we don't. If for now we are pumping, okay, we are pumping and we are creating value here. So it's usually when you say this type of acceptation of price until delta doesn't tell me other thing, I'm not bearish. So for now we are pumping. This could be an attack to this value area high. So this level, take a look to 86,480 is a good level to see an attack at open and then see a reaction. But for me in the downside, you have this level is not for me so relevant. For me, this one, the 82,800 level. And if we sweep with so much strength, another point of interest will be these that have concern with Friday naked point of control and naked BPOC. So there are two naked POCs, naked levels here to take a look. So if these levels doesn't hold, then I will not be touching BTC for today because I need a level to hold in order to take a trade. I will be trading now in prop firms, in MCF and in BingX. So yeah, I'm trading if we get a good reaction to those levels. Buenas, ¿qué pasa, Demac? Hola, Inspector. ¿Cómo estás, Inspector? So for now, I think Follies also will like this level. If Follies is in the chat, I think this level you will have it marked for your level for the opening that you like to trade. So yes, I will also be looking what's happening here. And for the next thing, these two. Yeah, I'm repeating myself, but for now, waiting. We have a regular distribution, so yeah, for now, just wait and see what's happening. And yeah, I have them marked here. Also important that this good naked point of control has a really good stacked imbalance on the 30 minutes. Is a buy stacked imbalance, so this if they should protect any level, for me this level is going to be protected. So I will take a look what happens when they touch this stacked imbalance. This is important to see if they hold this one or they just destroy it. Okay. I said it on Chroma and I saw your chart. Yeah, I sent it this chart yesterday. So yeah, for now is we have this level for the sweep and we have the other level I mark here for sweep. This one, 86,480. 86,480 is here. It's a little bit higher of this top, so I can mark it 86,480 is another level to have in consideration. I'm gonna put it orange because this level I will stay tuned what's happening there. Okay, I wanted to ask a question about CBD and open interest and Orderflow. If you remember, but you asked it without realizing posting on the two charts on weekend. Also got some 4 minus 5R profit on that. What do you mean, Filippo? I don't understand what you're asking. So, open interest and CBD. I'll post it anyways. Okay, post me, yeah, or personal DM me in Chroma. I will help you, whatever. I did a really good post. I was arguing some order flow diffs, and I was explaining that open interest and CBD are two different things, and really. I was getting a discussion the other day that if ExoCharts gives really the open shorts and net longs, net shorts, because you don't really know when they are opening and when they are closing. So because I don't know if chains give that info. Ahora lo miro, de Mac. Sí. Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. The thing is that people take when I'm talking everybody that is trying to get a great look to CBD, this type of deviations, diffs can be really extended. So we usually have like the ones that are let me see if it's this image. Yeah, these are regular. Okay, guys. So this is important. I have this image. I take it from Google, and you need to know that a bull diff on CBD, two things. It can be, it can play out at the same time, but also can be extended. You know, so sometimes you see this type of price a lower low and a higher low on CBD, exhaust sellers, but this could do one more sweep or one more. You know, it could extend on time. So for me, I like to see as a confluence, but I don't want to see this that you take this like sangreal and just if you see a diff, you go in. No, just take that on consideration. Like I want you guys like to take in consideration this type of diffs in order to have more edge on your trade, more edge when to go out, more edge when to. I would like for you to have this perfect is more than for your entry, for your TP. When you see exhaust on sellers and you're on a long, and you are in a long, when you see there's been absorbed the buying pressure on your, then you can TP. But don't try to get on this type of divs. So you say you want a long and you see a lower low but a higher low on CBD, you insta market long. No, because sometimes you will get one more div, you know. So that's something that you need to take in consideration always, because price likes to extend, and also these are regular. All these divs are regular. They are also hidden divs. They are also extended divs. So you need to take in consideration that divs are something that is a laggy stochastic indicator. It's laggy, first of all. And second is that they can be extended. So if you have your delta here, there's a bullish extended div. So when this creates like a new low, this could do like this, and create like this, one lower. But here, no. And CBD do this. That would be also an extended div. You understand? So that's really important. I learned this a lot when I was seeing some order flow streamers. And in the big picture, divs, sometimes they extend. So you see, okay, we break in structure here. Here, if they break this structure, they can break this structure, but they can maintain the bullish CBD delta, and this could do like this. Okay? So, yes, you listen with me a lot of what's happening in Delta, what's happening in CBD, open interest. Okay, for lower time frames, take a look who's getting trapped and all. But if you're looking always for diffs, take a look on the big scheme. And sometimes they can extend the diff like this. This creates a new low, but here doesn't create a new low from here. So this was a low, and this didn't create a low, but price yes. And that's a bull diff in CBD. Okay? I think you understand what I'm saying. That's pretty powerful. So this type of things in BTC likes to do it. And if you're trading 30-minute candles, you're trading 4-hour candles, this type of price action that you see here, CBD has the low. Okay, so here has the low, and then price now creates a lower low from here, breaks this structure, goes here, reclaims, and this does this. This is extended bull diff because this low is lower than this low, but CBD didn't do a new low. Okay, so that's extended. That for me is mega bullish. That will trap a lot of shorts. They will short into this level. So when you see this type of break, but diff doesn't break, guys, this is so powerful. When I see this, it's like this type of, if you see this price action, is to bet your grandmother if you want, because you see this diff, so this low, create this low in CBD. Price now, whatever happens here, nukes. Here, strong sellers trying to pull price, and CBD does this. Starts to cool up. Price cannot go down, and then starts going up. They extended the bull diff. So that's pretty short long entry, because all these shorters trying to hit this price, trying to trade lower and cannot continue lower, will be shorting into a bull diff. Usually Bybit. If you go to Bybit, you will see that Bybit is the one that is creating this type of stupid shorting into a bull diff. So yeah, that's what can happen. So that's what I was talking about. Diffs on Delta are important, but you need to see what's in the bigger scheme. So if you are seeing Delta only here, and you go here and you say, okay, I'm seeing Delta here, I'll go here. I change my Delta from line to bars. Sorry, for candles. And I want to see what's happening here. Yeah, you have only this picture. Yeah, but if you zoom out, you see, if you zoom out, you have more, you know? Okay, so some things to have in consideration once you're trading order flow, because order flow you need to stay and you need to practice your eyes to what you're seeing. Okay, so for me now it's just a wait and see. I have these two levels marked for a reaction. Down we have these two levels. I'm gonna mark them with more than an area. I'm gonna eliminate this because I already know that this is a level. I'm gonna mark as a level. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna mark the 82,800. Okay, this is my level, and I'm gonna mark, and I know that stock imbalance is also a level. Okay. So yeah, for now, for me, these three levels are what I want to look now. Any reaction to those levels, we will get a trade. Yeah, if you, Filippo, if you have open interest, going down, and you have a CBD going down, it's bearish. UI negative going down. CBD negative going down is bearish. But more bearish is OI plus going up, CBD negative going down. That's open interest opening, so they are opening shorts into a CBD negative. Okay, so these two are bearish because this is longs closing, CBD going down, and shorts opening. If they are closing more contracts, price also is going to find lower prices. Okay. So yeah, we have everything set. Demax, si estás aquí. Thanks, Felipe. Yeah, you're welcome. Let me see. Yeah, New York Open. I don't know who is streaming. I think it's streaming or Victorious or Follies. Yeah, I will be there also after. After I look for a trade, or I will support the stream because he will stay longer than me. I will look for a trade at Open. If I don't find 2 trades possible scalps, I will just collapse the stream and we'll try to do some content for TikTok or something. So yeah. Yeah, for now, just let's see how is the Open. I'm gonna mark here the Open. Open New York. Let me see if I can mark this. 3:30. Where is? Okay, this is, and I'm gonna dot, yes, and I'm gonna mark white, and let me see if I can move this. Why is not? Okay, let's do this. No entiendo. No. 05 35 30. That's New York Open. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to M30. Thanks, Joel. Perdón. Yeah. Mírate, el monthly POC está rechazándolo. El monthly. Yo es que no quiero ver el... Yo es que no quiero ver los perfiles de... I don't want to see monthly, like... Yes, it's a good level, but... Yeah, let's look here, okay. Okay. ¿Qué quieres? El monthly. Value area... Claro, no tengo monthly. Yes. Okay. For now, it's pretty clean what I think will happen. Now we are accepting this value. We are upside value. For me, we are in an area that till we don't break again on value from weekend and Monday, that is inside this 85k range to more or less 83,520, then this will be a choppy area. If we are creating value above value area high from all the weekend, because you see it's the same nearly value, so we are creating value area high is being the same for 3 days now. If we close like this, I don't think we're gonna close like this. We're gonna have any expansion, but we are creating value upside these levels So that is pretty bullish. That is what I was always talking about, acceptance. So yeah, for now, we've seen acceptance these prices. So yeah, if we start trading and we start trading this session acceptance and we don't break inside here, a good opportunity to find a long here in order to attack this value area high is really good. Is really good. I really like what we're seeing because we are accepting value area high from 3 days, so 2 days ago. So all the weekend value area high we're trading above. So we're trading on this tail. We're creating value here. So if ES confirms, this could easily go and attack this level. So yeah, it's looking not bad for bulls. So yeah, for now, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Let me see if they go and attack these levels. Or we have a sweep into the levels we have marked here. Yeah, but yeah, Phil, but you need to understand that macro CBD is bullish still, so that's why I don't know what happened to your short. Was good in principle, but then this can be back so easily because CBD for the session of the day is bullish. You need to take that on consideration. But yeah, that three drive was good. Your TP was a bit greedy, that's why I think you got stopped. Ah no, you got TP. No. I didn't see the image really. You got TP. Okay, Phil. No, that was nice. Yeah, it was nice. Nice read. Yeah. Nice read. So open interest was going down, CBD was going up. Yeah, that div, and then you played the break. Yeah. Was nice. Was a nice trade. And a nice invalidation. Nice. Okay. I made a mistake sending you 1 hour order flow chart, but I was see this guy. Yeah, full TP. Ah, you're Filippo. You okay? You're Phil. Okay, Filippo. Nice. Yeah, nice trade. No. Yeah, yeah. No, I see that. I didn't see. I also thought on this trade because this trade was perfect. I took this trade. Let me see if we have 15 minutes. I was discussing this. I saw in Twitter. I did this trade. Here we have a misperception, and here I don't know if it's Demac on the stream. He's also Orderflow trader Spanish with me. He trades the same as me. We don't care about FBG. So fair value gaps for me is something that I use, but I don't use. So it's okay if you use it. I really like more stacked imbalance on volume. So here in this candle, you can see there is practically any fair value gap, but you see that this momentum candle that break this structure, so you have all your break of structure, all the things you like here. So you have this break of structure, sorry. So yeah, it break, and this candle that created that break of structure created this stacked imbalance. So this for me is a really good zone that I like to trade. So if I see today as something creating like this will be really powerful. So this zone, I will be waiting. And my principle the trade I took, I sent on Twitter, was they reach this zone, this stacked balance zone, and when they reach this zone, my trade is easily what I say all the days in Chroma. I don't trade limit here like a stupid, and then my trade goes like full stop loss. No, never do that. So my imbalance is above the stacked imbalance, but I never do this. What I wait a candle to confirm it. This one arrives my zone, and then the next candle, when it breaks their own body, that's my entry. And my stop loss is the candle that created my entry. And I target 1 to 2. This target, I was targeting this stacked imbalance here that was filled. So my trade was perfectly at 377R. 30-minute candle. You have time for this type of trade. And was beautiful. First candle arrived. Second candle confirm. First candle arrived your zone. Your zone gets respected. It's a good zone. Point of interest for me was a stacked imbalance. I always told you in my stream, stacked imbalance, stacked imbalance, stacked imbalance. Then a candle breaking their own body. I like bodies. People say if you want to be safe, you can go for the weak break and you target the next imbalance or whatever point of interest you like. This is a perfect textbook trade order flow that I like to do. So it's really powerful. And also when you have seen this CBD in delta from here to here, you see CBD having a good div, and it had really good absorption here on the weekend. So yeah, that was nice. Okay, I like to trade this type of price action. When you create, here you had another one, but didn't give so much R's, but here you have another one. So this one, I was looking to it, but how delta and open interest was curling, this was getting acceleration in open interest, acceleration in delta. Delta pretty bullish for the session, that's why I didn't get it. But this was also a bearish stacked imbalance. This is bearish. You see, you get reacted from the zone, and you could have traded. But for me, I didn't get it because was on mid of the London session and delta was curling up, so I will be a counter trend trade. But this also same principle, break of body. You have this type of opportunities a lot. And here if I was me, I would target this buy side liquidity here, but then you see I will get round trip because delta was not on my favor. So I couldn't take neither this trade. So what I could 137, not worth it. Okay, so it's not a 100% strategy, but it works a lot. And you get it when you see a trade on the same side of your CBD and open interest. And now for now, CBD was bullish and open interest here was curling. So yeah, it was a break-even trade if I touch this. So for now, just wait. Now you remember. Okay. Yeah, now let's see if we create some type of imbalance. I don't know why this moved. 5. No, esto es aquí, ¿no? Yeah, that's New York Open. So let's see, we have 10 minutes for open. I don't know if somebody will stream. I think I'm gonna see if somebody is streaming. Yeah, I think Victor or Perdu is streaming. Nice. Perdu is streaming. I'm gonna give a subscribe. Perdu is streaming from the office. Nice. I love Perdu. And yeah, anybody else, I think. So yeah, nice. For now, wait, I think we will have any opportunity like this one. Let's scalp. Yeah, I think everybody has the same levels. I see also Victor have the same levels as me. Well, he has more intraday levels that for me, I think he's looking for another type of levels, like more for now. And he has more like these levels, like for a scalp. But I like this bigger picture. But yes, he has like marked more intraday levels, like here. We have these double lows. This thing, they will have a reaction. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna mark them intra. Yeah, he has more these levels. These internal levels for me are being usually they worked, but these days I don't know. ES is being trouble, so these levels are being not respected. Yeah, but you could argue that this is a good level also, and in the upper side you have this level as a possible internal sweep. So for now, yeah, we can mark them out also and see a reaction, see how delta and footprint is absorbed there, and then possible have a possible trade. But yeah. Yeah, let's mark this one also. This one also, yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think, yeah, but for me, for internal, you have this type of these levels to watch now. Watching in real time how CBD, you see, open interest is increasing, but CBD no. So here we have really good I'm speaking badly. Absorption here. You can see they trying to break this level and they cannot break. So a lot of big delta on the buy side and they couldn't break. That's getting absorbed. If we go to the DOM, you will see like sellers are selling limit here prices. So they're trying to defend these areas. So yeah, let me see what we have here in Kyoto. Something I like to show. Let me see how is Kyoto levels. Let this chart doesn't move. This is staying from the beginning. So we have this level. So a sweep of this level that we mark could lead to these limit orders that we have here. But in order to me to short this level, I want to see that they don't have continuation, because if they pump this and they fill all these orders and they start curling up here like this, I don't want to be on a short. So yeah, I will have this open. Spot CBD is also curling up. Okay. So yeah, let's see what gives us the open, and then we decide. For now, I want to see reaction to these levels. Oh. Okay. 4 minutes for open. Yeah, we have these levels to see how they react to these levels. Also, let's see how is the session TPOs. Any weird... Well, this for me, Asia is being a little bit tricky, but well, I had this from old value to new value. Yeah, old value to new value, creating value here on London, but any irregular distribution to be cleaned. Yeah. So here what we said, we seen value acceptance of this area, and so that could lead to a possible sweep of these levels, but we will see. Wait and see. Today I'm gonna do the stream till I get a trade, so I know they are streaming a lot. Perdu is streaming. I don't know if Follis is gonna stream. Yeah. Delta now is being a bit tricky, but you see open interest opening, so they are opening contracts here. So let's wait and see. Okay. Open is then still rising. Here you see this. All these rise, all these are longs closing because they are not opening shorts. Delta is pretty negative. So their longs are opening, so are closing, because when you see this type of pump and then they close, pump, red candle, red candle, red candle, is usually taking profits. Okay, so for now you see this continuous opening contracts into open. That's pretty. Let's see what happened today. Okay, I'm gonna set some music because my stream is being without music, so weird. Let's set some music without copyright to not get striked. Okay, have levels, open, they open. Okay, so we open, we are upticking. You see, volume is pretty insignificant for now, eh? Today I'm gonna execute my trades on BNX, I think. Yeah. Fuck, sorry, how I cannot. I need this. Sorry. Stream. How can I? Well. Okay, we down ticking. Okay. What Foley says, I like what he's. I love what he says all the time. New York dump is a posterior pump, or the other way. When we pump at open, it's the most bearish signal in crypto. So yeah, let's see. We have our levels marked. Remember that big levels for us are what we said. This 86 for 80 level, 86 120, and the big levels on the down part is the 82 800. These internal sweeps could be a scalp, but not so relevant. So please be cautious. Never blind limit, please. Never blind limit. Nice spike on delta. Pretty spike of delta. I'm gonna put it like this in order to see what's happening. Any buy market players in this candle? Pretty negative everything. Okay, but nothing so crazy, eh? I'm gonna put big trades on. Nothing too crazy, okay? Now there are some buyers, but nothing crazy. All these longs got smoked. Okay, we wait. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Still waiting for now. So yes. Wes shorted. Wes shorted this. He's a crazy man, bro. Ah no. Roger West. Oh my god. Oh my god. So for us, we're waiting, eh? We're waiting this level to play. We are not doing nothing. We leave in some candles to play out. Nice who's short. Yeah, this type of instance, well, but you need to see that delta is still in a bully diff. Okay, it's still bullish from here. Eh? So yeah. Okay. So yeah. I will say if I go inside a trade, eh? Guys, you are from Germany? Juan Lopez, no, Spain. Spain, I'm from Spain. Spain. So yeah, from Spain. For now, waiting. I think we will get a trade if we get these levels. One of these levels. We need something like this. I really want something in order to short or something. For now, congratulations to Wes who shorted. Any blind, any limits here? Any limits? Some long liquidations, but nothing too shabby. Yeah, perps are shorting. Spot is also cooling down. Nothing crazy. I told you guys today till Wednesday there's not catalyst, so price will be pretty boring. Pretty boring. Yeah. So yeah, I think till we don't sweep any good level, no trade zone. Okay, so now let's see, it's getting pretty boring now. We need to wait for entry. For the new guys that are here and are from the stream, just hit a like and subscribe if you want. I do Orderflow videos. I wanna do content every day. I answer questions. I do educational streams in order to explain you guys. Yes, I have one. I have one, Paolo. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. If you wanna help me and you like what I'm doing and you wanna trade in an exchange centralized because you like central exchange, I'm using BingX now. It's your own preference, but will help me. So I'm gonna give it to you guys if you want to support me. I'm gonna send it here. But I think exchanges is your own preference. People like Bybit, people like Binance, people like Brothing. I'm now trading on BingX. I traded every exchange, by the way. So it's your own preference. Thanks a lot, Paolo. So for now, let's see if we get a sweep and we get a good trade. And we start the week with a good trade. I will do 2 trades on a day. Who knows me knows that I stick to 2 trades. So let's see if we get something. And we can do any clip. And if we get a trade and it goes to TP, also if you are in stream, clip it. Clip me the TP or the stop loss also. I want to have some clips to save them, download them, and go them to TikTok. To grow also in TikTok and also in Twitter. And I want to clip some parts of the stream. Okay? So for now, waiting. You see here, this dagger. CBD here in all this, CBD spot was the first one and saying no. Premium here went negative. So that's pretty bearish. They couldn't follow the volume. Volume spike was bearish. Now they're pushing. So yeah, you can see this. Actually. Okay, we get into our level. Nice spike. Roque is happy, eh? Big delta. Big delta. Let's see if we sweep this level and then see reaction. Roque Joel XBT. Oh my god. Chroma is awesome. Nice. Whole team Roach is printing. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, we get into our level. Okay, guys, we get into our level. Remember, now it's 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart for me, pretty dangerous, but we can get a scalp. Risking 1% or 2% of the MingX account. It's okay. So we didn't sweep anything, so this front run, I don't like it. I don't like this front run. Come on, give me a sweep of something. This front run, I don't like. Sebastian, this guy. Viva Romania! Romanian friend from Chroma. Give me a like, bro. Nice, nice. So now we're waiting for now. Visca el Barça. Qué cabrón. Me dice Visca el Barça y sabe que soy del Madrid. Qué cabrón. Visca el Barça. Oh my god. So here we didn't sweep anything. I'm pretty... No, I don't like this, eh? I want a sweep of one of the levels. This front run... 180... Oh my god, $80 front run. Yeah, you could say that is like a higher low, but I don't know. Any bit interesting? No. No. I think I'm not beating this. This is a trap. They will sweep this. Sure. So, viva Valencia. Valencia no. El Valencia, qué malo, ¿no? Zombie, Valencia. RMD, bro. Real Madrid. You see, I think they're gonna go for this sweep. Remember our strategy, eh, guys? Once arrive out zone, seconds confirmates, and third is our entry. Okay, guys, come on. Let's see if we get this, and then if we get a good trade, I will get one, and I will go to the gym. Okay, we have the sweep. Okay, we have the sweep, guys. Let's see. We need a reaction. For now, pretty bearish. Closing longs. Opening. No, they are not opening shorts. We need opening shorts. Okay. First level doesn't hold. Remember that our good level is this one, eh? So these internal levels. J, oh my god, this. Yeah. Yeah, West shorts everything. Oh my god. West shorts everything. Yes. Look this. Oh my god. I'm not long in this still. Pretty sharp. I need a confirmation of one more candle or two in order this to hold. For me this is so sharp. This is so sharp. This is so sharp. So sharp. Could be good, but it's so sharp. Didn't even SFP now. Colabrinas. No bueno for bulls this candle. No, nothing bueno, bro. Nothing bueno, but we can wait because it's a good level to sweep. It's sweeping, but needs to confirm it. And for now, look delta. But something in taking consideration, we get in volume from open, from nothing to 3K, 2K, 2K, 2K. That's positive. Now, what I show on all my videos with all my people, with Paolo, we need to see where they leave the POC. If they give us a second candle with the POC outside, we could get along. Okay? This is the sweep we were waiting. But we front runned this one. That's not bueno, eh? I would like the two to get killed, but one is okay. So I don't like 1 minute, but we're gonna see 1 minute structure. Structure is intact. So in order to break structure here, we need to break this. This was the structure that broke structure here, so yeah. So we need something more, come on. Give me something more. Give me something more. You know what I like here? I want to see this candle close. Let me see this candle close. And I'm looking too long. Wait. Let me calculate this. I don't like this like this. %, plus fees. Okay, we have a breakthrough chart in the 1 minute. Let me confirm this. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm preparing for a possible. What the fuck? Possible long. We did like a retest. Let me go back to the 5 minutes. Okay. So what I gonna do? Okay, what I gonna do? I gonna wait for Next candle, okay. Oof. Next candle, 5 minutes, needs to break the body of this one. This one arrives, second confirmate. So where is the body I will enter? If we create a bottom wick. I'm gonna go back to my... Where is my... Fuck. Being X account. Yeah, here, going 5 minutes. So I'm going 100x. How? Yeah. Okay. Nice buys. Nice buys. Okay, I'm cruzado. Esto en 100x, okay. Okay. Let's... Oh, this is running without us. Oh, let's see if we have a retest. But this is running, eh? This is running without us. Let me see if we get a retest. I want a retest here. I want a retest. I want a retest. Okay, I'm gonna set limit. No, I'm getting a retest. I want this weak fill. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. I like this. Let me see the... So... Okay. I'm liking this. 10%. So if I lose 5%. Oh fuck, it's running without me. Really? Really. Oh my god. Let me see if now we have a retest. I will market smash. I will like this. Till here. This will be my trade. So let me see if I can get it. I'm gonna limit there. Copiar precio. Límite. Well, I'm gonna market in. Fuck it. Okay. I'm long perfect, guys. Perfect. I'm long here. Oh, I market long perfect. My stop, my invalidation will be near to the candle. That's my invalidation. Let me put my stop loss. Yeah, my invalidation is 8460. Yeah, 8465. I don't know if it will be the same in BNX. That's my invalidation. If I get round trip, this trade will be the first 5% of the account. So for now, first one arrives, second confirmates. This confirmates a bullish candle. I enter on the test of the week. It's perfect. So let's see how this plays out. For now, not looking good. For now, not looking good. But let's see how it ends. I like, but you know what? That is not good here. That they didn't leave the poke of the candle like these ones. This one was perfect, but here they leave it. They closed a little bit above, but they leave the poke here. So all the trading volume was here. You see? So we need to trade above these levels in order to be bullish. Why I like this trade? Because all days are being controlled by a bullish CBD continuation. So I'm betting on a continuation. I can be wrong, but I'm betting on a continuation. Let's see if it plays out. This is not looking good, eh? I think that they're gonna go for this low sweep. If they go for my stop loss. Yeah, Jason had a better entry without confirmation. That's PvP West. So guys, if you wanna support me, the guys that are in stream, I'm trading now with BingX at the moment. I'm waiting for do a challenge also on a decentralized exchange with them. I'm talking with them, but for centralized exchange, I'm using BingX. If you wanna support me and give me some volume, is friendly use. I can give you good rebates, so I can give you good less commissions. So if you wanna help me, ask me for the referral. Okay, I can give you discounts in commissions, and they give you the discounts at the same day. When you finish the day, next day, more or less at 6 p.m. UTC +2, they give you the discount rebates. So you can get like a 20% discount with me, and it's good fees. You have good fees, good liquidity. You can trade on Till Street. It's good. Let's see this trade plays out. I think if they go for attack this week, they will go lower. I don't think this, and then we will see our level that we are watching. But if they start holding here, we extend the bull diff at least to our TP. We will have it perfect. I don't know if I can. I will see if I can screenshot something inside here. I don't know if I can put an image here. Yeah, I can put an image. Yeah, I know what I can do. So you guys are enjoying stream. For now, we need to see. You see these levels? These levels have big delta. We need to trade above these levels. These levels have to be traded because is where the big delta is. 540, they have to reclaim that delta again in order to see this bullish. No bueno for bulls. Yeah, I think, yeah, bueno for bulls. So for now, we need to accept this price in order to be in profit. I'm gonna send an image. Oh, nice. Let me see if I can. Let's do a post. Okay, we are pumping. Come on. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it, Joel. Let's put some text. Some text. Important sweep. No. Still, this can be. We can be distracted again, but another thing we took to take in consideration is the opening candle. This first stacked imbalance, but it's not big enough for me to be concerned because. But yes, that could take retest and go, and we don't like that. We need to penetrate this. So yeah, for now, dancing on our entry. Okay, we like this. We like what happened here. I'm gonna screenshot this and I'm gonna put on Twitter. Okay, we like what's happening, guys. I'm in this trade. I'm gonna show you now that I'm in this trade on BX. Let me post this on Twitter. Well, I don't wanna put this on Twitter. I wanna send it on Chroma. Okay. Moment we are slightly positive. I think we are like low, no? Let me see. We are, yeah, 6% up. Yeah, 6% up. %. Oh man. We need volume now. Volume is pretty drying. You see, we got beginning of 3K, 2K, 2K, 3K, 1K, and now we're getting nothing. So in order this to push, we need volume, guys. We need volume. We need volume, and then this trade could have... You know what? I'm gonna put this here. How I put? How I? Nothing. I wanna put it here, but it's ugly as fuck. So, well, I will leave it like this. No, I don't want to push this. So for now, just wait. We need volume. Problem is we are not picking in volume. This is drying up. We need volume. We need volume. One of these, I don't like it. Delayed. Okay. So in order this to control is we need volume. And for now, look, this market order. The market order here. All these orders, what's these ones? 142. Let me see if this makes market say, okay, fuck this, we go in. This can pump the market, okay? These big orders can scare algos and say, okay, they're trying to short this, or this guy can win the play and this goes down, no? How we seeing this? When you have a downward move and you see low volume, it's bad. So in order you to see something happen, you need to see now volume spiking up and moving away from this area. How much time we spend here is more bearish. So we need to go away from this area. Now, let's go to 30-minute candles to see what's happening. So yeah, one arrived, this one. But we are simply on a range, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go back to 5 minutes. I don't know why this changed it like that. Yeah. If you wanna support all the people that are here, I really like that. Please give me a like on the stream and give me a subscribe on my YouTube channel. I trade all days, Orderflow. I'm starting to build something new for you guys. I wanna create content every day. Why this sweep like this? I wanna create content for you all the days. I trade every day. I go up. I upload trading every day, educational content, and I'm willing to start with you guys some new challenge. Okay, not only profit, because I wanna show a track record. I wanna show how a 1K account or a 2K account or a 500K account, you can also build it up. Thank you, Arkem. I know you. I have a free Telegram group. If you wanna join my Telegram group. I'm building it that also in order to say when I'm streaming, in order to all the analyze I will send there. I'm also building a robot that when I enter a trade here, it sends automatically to my Telegram group. So I wanna also do that. So yeah, if you wanna join my Telegram group, I will. It's free. Okay, guys. So everybody that's here, you wanna join? I think this trade, for us to have to be, we need volume. I repeat myself, but we need volume. We need 2-3K candle volumes in order to go out of this small range. For that, we need to be in consideration what SXP doing, because we depend on SPX. So let me check TOPSTEP. Let me check what TOPSTEP X. What is SPX doing? ES 5 minutes. ES is holding here. ES is holding here. We depend on ES. But ES is 1% positive, so that's good. It's trading bullish this Monday. Nice. Keep joining. I will program this week. I will have all this set. So I will have this Telegram group where I post my ideas, my trading when I'm gonna stream. I will say when I'm live. I will give all that notifications, and then on other Telegram group, I will do another one. I will send you a link there, and I will create the Telegram bot for any trade I get on this challenge account. Will be sent on that Telegram, but I don't know how to fix it well, because it was giving me some errors. So when it's done, I will show you. So for now, we're waiting. I don't like how they are rejecting this area, because ES is also rejecting. That's the problem. Yes. People are finding my Telegram, but I'm gonna. Yeah. I will send it here. Okay. Okay, nice. So for now, we're getting some chopness. All is because of ES. ES is chopping also. And I don't like price action of ES. Pretty tanking here. Creating some sort of... Thank you. Everybody that's joining. Thank you very much. I don't like this music. You like? I'm gonna change. This one. So yeah, for now, ES is looking weird. Hola Yayo. Yayo entered my stream. Yeah, but ES is not looking good. ES not looking good. Look guys, ES is looking to me like crap. So yeah. So E is not looking good. E is looking bad. So careful, eh? If this trade doesn't work, it's because ES is crap falling now. Doesn't find in bids here. Been rejected and now is like pretty heavy possible cascade. I want to show you. I can show you. Look. Look. ES in real time. So sad price action. Couldn't break. Fail auction. And if this breaks, this could really cascade into these prices. So yeah, ES not looking good, eh? Muchas gracias. Nice. Thank you all for tuning in. I would enjoy that. Remember to give a like to my video. Give a like and subscribe if you want. I appreciate everybody. Okay, so I think that if we run away from this could be a fast TP. If not, this tank, all these weeks are so sad. So yeah. Yeah. That's the main problem. So yeah, if we find any acceptance now here and price starts curling, we depend of ES. ES needs to create a look, if he starts bidding now, it's good for us. But what I see is ES struggling. And if you have any question, ask me, eh? I'm here to respond any question. Instalé Atas hace 2 días porque puse referencia que descubrí el programa por tu canal. Te debía dar referelas. Gracias, Javier. Si te suscribes mejor. Ya he hablado con ellos. Para que, ya que hay pocos canales que streamean todos los días Atas o enseñan Atas en directo, que me den algo. Pumping. Pues sí. Te lo agradezco. Si tienes alguna duda de cómo utilizar Atas, pregúntamelo. ¿Vale? Y depende de dónde seas, tiene buenas conexiones. Si tienes para conectar Binance, Bybit, BitGet, va bien. ¿Usas el mismo TPO que Roche? No. Roche usa 50 ticks. Tiene una cosa muy rara. Él usa este, creo, y lo pone en 50 ticks, así. Claro, entonces, en Order tú para ver, tienes demasiado, no sé, demasiado granulado, ¿sabes? En plan, para tú ver las letras, tienes un zoom in de la leche. A mí no me gusta, personalmente. Personalmente no me gusta. Para que esto esté bullish necesitamos empezar a volver a traer aquí encima. Y voy a cambiar esto donde me gustaba a mí, que es el 200, que es el que yo utilizo. Perdona, utilizo el 100, ¿qué coño? pero sí, a ver, es que TPO al final es cuántos ticks por letra, ¿sabes? Entonces yo creo que 100 para mí es lo que en donde mejor resultado me da los niveles y el que mejor utilizo, ¿vale? Utilizo este mucho. En orden de ver, ahora mismo estamos metidos en un rango de consolidación de tiempo donde hemos estado desde el fin de semana, ¿vale? We are in the zone where we've been all the weekend, so now I know that price here will top. When we break again value area high and we start accepting these prices, then yes, this could be an attack here. But we will stick to our plan for the trade. So yes. Pero sí, está yendo bien el trade, Paolo. Venga, vamos. Vamos a ver si nos da primer TP en la cuenta esta, aunque el IS haciendo el imbécil. IS doing my stupid. Careful this stacked imbalance, guys. This is a stacked imbalance. Also, there are imbalance on fair value gap here also, but stacked imbalance. Come on, I like this. We start seeing volume now. Let's see if this candle creates a 1-2K candle. That will be crazy. Careful this area, So for now, but ES not helping, S&P help me, guys. S&P help me. Bueno, not bad. Not bad, bro. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Vamos bien, vamos bien. Vamos bien, vamos bien. Vamos bien, vamos bien. Vamos bien. Voy a poner el TP. Por si llegase, porque vamos bien, vamos bien. Vamos bien. Y está encontrando bits. Así que muy bien todos. Y los que cogisteis el trade o los que estáis en el trade conmigo. Who are in the trade with me, guys. So here what we can see, this candle, we see negative open interest, positive delta. Here a lot of shorts that were fading this got out. So all these shorts here trying to fade this move got wiped out. Okay. Now we need continuation. What I told you guys. Stacked imbalance. I don't like this. Come on. We need to go through. We don't need to reject from stacked imbalance, okay? We need to go through. Okay, guys, let me see if we get a good 6 people. If they are new, I do streams every day. I do trades every day. And I like to show my trades, order flow. I do analysis. I do everything that is order flow based. Okay.
No, perdona. Es que te había dicho eso que te tenía... el recibo de mensual. Ay, Dios, vale. Sí, no, está pagado, pero entonces me han enviado otro. Sí. Yo lo vi, pago mes de marzo, 270 euros, enviado, no me acuerdo ahora qué día.
Vale. Okay, we popping. Paolo, we popping. Guys, congratulations. I don't know if you like the stream. Sí. No. Mira, hay dos maneras. Javier. Okay, guys, I'm gonna speak something in Spanish, okay? For stream, a guy here in the stream. there are two ways. A bad low o a bad high. Dos posibles maneras de tener un bad low o un bad high. Para que una distribución sea regular, tiene que ser parecida, por ejemplo, a esta del domingo. ¿Vale? Apúntate esto. Tienes que ver un TPO que monta una cola, un value area, un POC y una cola. Value area low, value area high. Cuando no tiene cola, es un bad low, porque no tiene a selling tail. ¿Vale? Esto que ves aquí, que es una distribución de vieja a nueva, que se llama, con un single print en el medio, y no tiene selling tail aquí. So, este low es malo y puede ser barrido. Lo mismo que ves cuando un low tenga más de 2 ticks. ¿Ves? Este para mí es muy feo. Exactly. Entonces este no sería malo del todo porque en verdad solo tiene uno. Pero mira qué gordo es esta parte. Se ha estado mucho tiempo en este periodo de low. Es malo. Este no tiene tail. No tiene sailing tail. No tiene cola de venta. Entonces este low es malo. Este lo pueden sweepear. ¿Vale? Te voy a buscar más ejemplos. Mira. A ver. Vamos a buscar más ejemplos. Mira, otro que lo sweepearon. Este era malo, se sweepeó. Es que ahora no hay muchos, que digamos. Mira, este es malo. Este es malo. Esta cola, que encima era con un initial balance, es mala. 2 ticks de 30 minutos en el de esto. Esto lo puedes ver como 2 velas de 30 minutos en el mismo precio. Cuando llegan 2 velas del mismo... 2 velas así, de 30 minutos en una cola, es mala. It's bad. ¿Vale? Entonces esto, malo. Bad. Bad low. ¿Vale? ¿Ahí comprendiste, Javier? Y ahora bien, estamos tradeando otra vez arriba. Me gusta. A ver cómo va para nuestro trade. Va bien. Vamos bien, vamos bien. Javier, si ya tienes exchange o ya tradeas con algún exchange y quieres apoyarme y te gusta, simplemente tengo un link de referido de BingX, en el cual, como soy pequeñito, a la gente que tradea conmigo les consigo comisiones más bajas. O sea, yo no gano, pero tú sí. O sea, al final puedo conseguir un 20% menos que se devuelve cada día. O sea, de lo que ya tenías, de lo que tú tradees hoy, de las fees que hayas pagado, te devuelven. Y la verdad que está muy bien. Y me ayudarías mucho si quieres y utilizas algo o tradeas. Yo tengo el link de referido de BingX, por si quieres ayudarme. No es sí o sí, pero sería de gran ayuda que me lo... que lo voy a fijar. Mira, lo voy a fijar. Y el link de referido lo voy a... Vale, lo voy a dejar fijado, el link de referido. Está ahí arriba, por si lo queréis. ¿Vale? Lo dejo ahí. Sería un gran apoyo para el canal, porque estoy ya empezando a crecer ahora. Y tengo el canal de Telegram gratuito, donde yo voy a empezar a avisar de mis streams, a pasar análisis. Y más adelante crearé uno que pasará mis trades automáticos desde Atas. Cuando yo lanzo el trade en Atas, porque también lo he lanzado en cualquier plataforma, sea Profin o sea BingX que esté operando, os llegará un enlace a Telegram conforme el trade con el stop loss y el TP. ¿Vale? automático.
Porque ya está, o sea, ya han empezado a pagar, me consta que han empezado
Entonces, de momento este
a
trade va, vamos, un 50% arriba.
Rodríguez o Pedro Sánchez o no sé cuántos, ha dado la orden de
50% arriba.
que se vaya pagando el
Vamos
plano
bien, vamos bien. A ver si va, nos hace full TP. Me gustaría un full TP. O al menos una barrida del pre-New York, ¿vale?
No, no, que
A ver si os gusta, darle like a la... Y nada, iros metiendo, hago streams todos los días, quiero ir creciendo con vosotros. Estoy en continuo aprendizaje, igual que todo el mundo. Yo también aprendo todos los días. Orderflow es lo que más tradeo. Llevo tiempo tradeando Orderflow, tanto en cripto como en el SP500. Y os agradecería cualquier tipo de apoyo. Así que bueno, vamos a ver. De momento vamos a ver cómo tenemos el trade. Me gusta. La distribución ha sido un poco fea. Si ahora, por ejemplo, esta distribución de esta... de Londres, de Nueva York, perdona, me hace ahora una distribución tal que así. Esto puede ser nuestro TP. Y el POC tiene que estar aquí, tradeando hacia arriba, para luego ya la sesión de Asia. ¿Vale? Ahora simplemente vemos. Yo lo tengo que ver si BingX acepta futuros en mi país. En Países Bajos. No lo sí, sí que deja. No tiene ningún problema porque si yo soy español y lo puedo utilizar. Así que no tienes ningún problema. No lo permite. Binance ya no puede operar. Aquí tengo que usar KuCoin o UX. Pues BingX te deja, Javier. Porque tengo entendido que no tiene. Míralo si puedes. Nada, hacer una cuenta. Uniros al canal de Telegram. Ya se está uniendo bastante gente. Voy a ir subiendo material cada día. Hoy subiremos este trade. Subiré la foto. Subiré el análisis. Escribirme por privado. Contesto también, ¿vale? Contesto también por privado. Así que... Así que bueno, yo la verdad KuCoin no me gusta la liquidez, lo he probado. Tengo KuCoin para la tarjeta, Javier. I have KuCoin for the Mastercard. But I don't like liquidity in KuCoin. And WX is good, WX. But I prefer liquidity in BingX because BingX has Binance liquidity. You know? So that's good. Well, have the major exchanges. So así que Javier, échale un ojo si quieres. Ya me dices algo. Así que ya yo, ¿full TP o qué? Pablo, ¿hacemos TP hoy o qué? Hoy comemos. A ver cómo está. Let me see how it's chroma. Nice. Come on, let's see if we get a stream. Que bien, a ver si nos da full TP. Sería bueno, 10% a la cuenta el primer día, muy loco, Muy loco. GG Bulls. Y si os gusta todo esto del trading y no estáis en croma, os recomiendo que le echéis un ojo también. Ahí están muy buenos traders, se aprende mucho. Live streams, they voice calls, they have educational content, you learn with the big traders on CT. So if you wanna join Chroma where I am, also text me, and it's a good bet also. Guys. Viva Chroma. ¿Qué pasa, Paulo? Hoy comemos, ¿no? Va fluido, en unos meses, Paulo. En unos meses me han dicho. Tienen que pasar a alguien a analista y me dejan un espacio, en teoría, a mí, a lo mejor. En unos meses. Paulo, va bien, Va fluido. Y va fluido el Bing, la cogí en Bing la operación. Y me va fluido, tío. Me va fluido. O sea, no tengo nada que quejarme, tío. O sea, está bien, tío. Me ha fluido. Encima fue week retest de este, ¿sabes? En plan. Y la entré a market, Mira, me ha escrito Atas. Yes, hello. Oh, we're getting TP. Oh. Espera, que me están hablando en Atas. Que a lo mejor tenemos un partner con Atas. Near to TP. We're gonna get TP smash. I don't know if my TP does noise. Let me see. Full TP. Let's go. Let's go, guys. TP, screenshot. Si puedes screenshare de esto. Screenshare esto. Vale. Nice. Bulas. Nice. Let me see. Historial. Historial de trading. 119%. Let's go. Y full TP, bro. Déjame ver que pueda. Full TP. Esto no lo puedo. No me deja. Pero voy a probar. Una cosa que antes en no se puede. Insertar image. No se puede, ¿no? No deja como trading view. Bueno, lo que puedo hacer es así sí. Vale. Y let's go with the boys. GG todos. GG lads. Nice. Bravo. Bravísimo. Pedazo de trade. 2.22R. Y ahora si corre, que corra. Great trade, Joel. Nice. Nice level also. I'm gonna thankful this trade also to O. With popping, Big volume there. But we out. I'm gonna. If you can clip this for me, guys, on YouTube, please. Si no lo haré yo luego. Amazing. Vale, buenísima. Vamos a. Mira, 300 lots up here. Now that's a good sweep and short for the guys that wanna short. So let me post. Vale. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end the stream. Was nice. I think you like it. Everybody that's on the stream. Javier, mira. Aquí el Demac. Demac, he pillado este trade en stream. No sé si estabas, tío, pero ha sido muy bueno. Ha pasado lo que hemos visto. Mira que este Open Inter está aquí, bro. Han abierto aquí la de contratos en el top, tío. O sea, el que haya... Sí, muy clean, pero este nivel que yo también era otro nivel marcado para TP o para por si pumpeaba. I was looking this level also to short, and if this continues, it's a good short, but I'm not trading two trades. When I win one trade, I'm just... First trade with BingX. If you wanna follow me and Demek, we trade on BingX. It's a good platform, good fees, and we trade Orderflow. Follow my friend Demek here in the chat. He's a monster. Spanish also. Orderflow trader. Okay, follow him. I'm gonna send... Wait. A todos los que están aquí, all the guys that are in stream. Demax, si estás en stream, me ha contactado Atas, porque les escribí. Tengo una reunión con ellos. Okay. If you like Orderflow channels, guys. Very clean, Joel. Chroma Gang, W. Yeah, Chroma Gang. Chroma Gang. If you like... ahora te digo por Telegram. If you like Orderflow channel, subscribe to my friend. He's a monster in Orderflow, Spanish guy. Good guy. Go to his channel also. He trades like me. He's same style as me. Okay, now you're seeing a lot of defend. Look. Defend. They trying to defend this. Okay, guys. Look this. We getting attack. Let me see if this loads. We getting attack. Look, this was from desde el domingo. Let me see if they attack this level. So yeah, it's a good short area, but we end for today. Take a look to my friend, okay? ES curling. So yeah, for me it's done. I'm gonna close the stream and work on more things. So yeah, you like my I do the same here on live in YouTube. I'm gonna grow in YouTube. I'm starting to get some deals with exchanges for you guys. If you wanna support me, I'm now dealing with good fees, discounts on BingX. If you wanna support me, if not, it's something I'm doing, but it's up to you guys. So I will be live tomorrow on Chroma in the morning I will also upload what I'm talking in Chroma for the guys that cannot join, and I will be live for a scalp trade on New York Open tomorrow. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.